Welcome to my channel! Whistler Bird, Cinderella and the Magical Porridge. In a lush forest, a whistler bird named Melody lived with her grandmother. Whistler Bird always whistled in melodious voice. That's why his grandmother gave him a precious name, Melody. Melody's grandmother was very wise that she ever went into deep forest, and on her return she had a red pocket in her head. Whenever Melody asked about that pocket, her grandmother said it's a magical secret of fragrances. But Melody never paid attention to the secret ingredients of wood porridge. Every day when she prepared that porridge, the wonderful fragrance of sweet porridge spread everywhere. Many little birds gathered around the granny, but the little amount of wood porridge was only a food for her grandson, Melody. One day, some little birds wished to taste the fragrance, and Melody insisted to his grandmother. "Oh dear Granny, I know it's your secret porridge for me only, but my friends also want to taste such a fragrant wood soup. Please invite them to have a great taste," grandmother replied. "Oh dear, it's only for you. It's prepared. Precious amount is very small. On your request I can." Only add remaining 3 drops to the nearest stream. All little birds can get benefits of great porridge from streams flowing water. At next day, when Grandma was preparing wood porridge, little Melody flew near her and said, "Granny, you promised last night." Granny said, "Dear, I know, and after its preparation, I will add it some drops in stream water." Grandmother did this, and the flowing water of stream was more sweet, cool, and the entire aroma from water was creating a magical attraction. All little birds were singing sweet songs, and other animals were coming one by one to taste a great miracle. Birds were singing for the granny bird. Flowers and plants were blooming with more wonderful look. A blue fairy was flying over glowing magical water of stream. She was in search of a mysterious herb which she needed for her. Queen Fairy was ill. Instead of healing herb, Blue Fairy filled a little bucket of magical water of wood porridge. Blue Fairy was very impressed to have a wonderful magical place. She took the water and offered a glass to her queen. When the Queen Fairy took a sip of water, suddenly she judged its magical healing powers. Now daily birds, animals and fairies visited stream water and the whole forest became an amazing aromatic enchanted forest. Little Melody sings our magical water after eating food porridge. He daily danced and sang for forest. Due to magical aromatic fragrance, only spring season rules over there. Granny Bird was very happy. The porridge was made with fragrant twigs, snowball wood, pieces, and a special wooden excretion glue from the forest trees. But no one knew that ingredients Melody would take a half teaspoon of the porridge and then sing in the forest enchanted all who listened. The king of the jungle, a lion, was particularly impressed with Melody's magical sound. However, a cunning fox had been waiting for the perfect moment to strike. The fox attacked Melody's grandmother while she was collecting fragrant twigs and she was mortally wounded. As she lay dying, Melody's grandmother whispered about a weeping tree, telling Melody that its tears held the secret to restoring the forest's magic. Without the magical porridge, the forest began to wither and dry up. Melody was heartbroken and her songs lost their magical quality. Cinderella, while walking through the forest, stumbled upon Melody and learned about the weeping tree. Cinderella, with the help of her beloved dog, demanded grandmother's red pocket. Melody gave them and said it's empty, but Cinderella called Tutu. Tutu sniffed the pocket and was going in deep forest. As they were going inside the dark forest, Cinderella noticed some beautiful aroma around herself. At last, they stumbled upon a big tree with glue-like secretions. Cinderella screamed with joy, "These are tears!" I found weeping tree. Cinderella discovered that its tears were actually a precious excreted glue similar to the one used in Melody's grandmother's porridge. Cinderella and Melody collected the weeping tree's tears, snowball wood, and created a new porridge. Melody took a half teaspoon and her songs regained their magical quality. The forest began to flourish once again and the king of the jungle was overjoyed. Melody and Cinderella became close friends and their bond grew stronger as they worked together to maintain the forest's magic. The cunning fox who had attacked Melody's grandmother was eventually caught and brought to justice. The forest creatures and fairies celebrated their victory and Melody's song became even more powerful. A tale of friendship and magic. The story of Melody and Cinderella spread throughout the land, inspiring others to appreciate the power of friendship, kindness, and determination. Good night.